Good morning children. Welcome back to our IT class. Today we are going to discuss continuation of chapter 6 more on PowerPoint. In the last class we have discussed about slide layout. Slide layout means formatting and positioning of placeholder boxes for the content appears in the slide. Then we learned different types of built-in slide layout. And then how to change the slide layout. Children, these are the main topics that we are going to discuss today. First one, inserting word art. Second one, editing word art. Third one, insert a picture from a file. The first topic is inserting word art. Word art means it is a text effect which make your text more attractive. We can insert a word art into your slide to make them more attractive. First one is inserting a word art. We are using word art to make your slide more attractive. We can insert a word art to a PowerPoint presentation. For this, you have to follow these steps for inserting a word art. First step, click on Insert tab. Second step, click on the word art command in text group. Then a drop down menu will appear. You have to select the word art style. That is the third step. Fourth step, type the text in the text box. This is how we are inserting a word art into a slide.
Inserting word art. Word art allows you to create text effects that are not available through font formatting. To insert a word art, you have to follow these steps. First step, click on Insert tab. Second step, click on Word Art command in text group. Then a drop-down menu with a different word art style will appear. Step 3, from this word art style, select the desired one. Then a text box appears on the slide with the text, "Your text here." You can start typing the text in the text box. After typing the text, click anywhere outside the text box or press Escape key. Then your word art will be inserted into your slide. So what are the steps? You have to click on Insert tab. Then in text group, click on word art command. A drop down menu with a different word art style will appear. From the style, you can select the desired style.
Next topic is editing word art. If you want to change or edit the word art, you can just follow these steps. First one, click on the text box and select the text. Second step, click on Format tab. Step 3, click on the drop down arrow next to the command Text Fill, Text Outline, Text Effect. Step 4, select any option from these commands. Step 5, select the sub option. So these are the steps for editing a word art.
Editing the word art. If you want to change or edit the word art, you have to follow these steps. First step, click on the text box. Then triple click on the text to select it. Step 2, click on Format tab. Step 3, click on the drop down arrow next to the commands Text Fill, Text Outline, Text Effect. You can see 3 commands: Text Fill, Text Outline, Text Effect. For example, if you want to add an effect to the text, you have to click on text effect command. Here you can see different text effects such as shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, 3D rotation, transformation, etc. You can select any text effect for the word art. Here I have selected this text effect. So the particular effect is applied on the text. Next, I want to apply text outline. For this you have to click on this text outline command. Here you can give outline for the text. You can select any color as outline. So I have selected green color as the outline for the text. So that will be applied. So that is applied on the text. Next is text fill. Click on that text fill command. Then select the color that you want to apply. Then I have selected red color. So that particular color will be applied for the text. This is how we are editing a word art. So what are the steps to edit a word art? Click on the text box. Triple click on the text to select. Then click on Format tab. Then you can see 3 commands such as text fill, text outline, text effect. Text fill for giving color for the text, text outline for giving outline color, text effect for giving effects for the text.
Next topic is inserting picture from a file. We are going to insert a picture from a file into the slide. For this, in your slide, from placeholder box, you can see a picture option. Select the picture from the placeholder box. Then you can see the insert picture dialog box. From that, you have to browse the location of the file. After selecting the file, just click insert button. Then the file or the picture will be inserted into your slide.
Next is inserting a picture from a file. PowerPoint lets you insert image or pictures in your presentation. To insert a picture from a file, you have to just click on the picture option from the placeholder. Here you can see a picture option. Just click on it. Then the insert picture dialog box will appear. This is insert picture dialog box. Next, you have to browse the location where you have saved your picture file. That is from where you have to select the picture. You have to browse that location. So I want to insert this picture into the file. So select the picture, then click on insert button. So the selected picture gets inserted in the slide. This is how we are inserting a picture from a file.
So children, we have come to the end of today's session. Today we have learned 3 topics. First one, inserting a word art. Second one, editing a word art. Inserting a picture from a file. Hope all of you understood the topic. For any doubts or clarifications, we will discuss in live class. Thank you.